Yunim,
My
my side about
perspective about the speaking English is that whoever is coming here, they are as for my concern, they are getting very much beneficial about that, and they are enhancing their vocabularies. They are talking with various cultures, various persons, various thoughts, and the discussion goes on, and you can say that it's a beginning that every if whoever is coming here, they are getting something appealing in their communication. And I think if we tactfully talk with various participants in the Joestalk app, then we can get better at communication skill day by day.
okay.
It's like that. That means like that situations I also went through. That was, I think, this happens to everyone. But
Yeah,
most of above all, you can see that if you are dedicated in talking, in making your communication skill better, then I think you can get a better contestants to talk with you, and you can make an environment and also make a group to make your communication lasting. Fill in the blank with the appropriate conjunction. He likes to play soccer. His brother prefers basketball. Conjunction. She studied hard so she could pass the exam. Uh, I will have tea. I will have tea. He neither likes to swim nor. I want to go shopping but I don't have any money. I like to read books. She is not only a great singer, alternative a choice. Which can I use to express an alternative and a choice? He can play the guitar